Hello everyone, welcome to VR Kitchen. Today we are going to make another delicious curry. We are going to cook drumsticks, but not the chicken kind. Though these are the pods from the Moringa tree. They are considered to be great for digestion. Actually, every part of the Moringa tree has its own health benefits. This is cooked in many different ways in many countries, but I will show you how we usually make it in Sri Lanka. Okay, let's see what are the ingredients we need today. 2 medium-sized tomatoes, curry leaves, pandan leaves, 3 green chilies, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1 packet of frozen drumstick, 1 big onion, 1 cinnamon stick, half a teaspoon of mustard powder, half a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder, half a teaspoon of paprika powder, salt to taste, and 2 cups of water. Okay, let's start cooking now. In a cooking pan, throw in the drumsticks and add sliced onions and then the other ingredients: chopped garlic, curry leaves, pandan leaves, green chilies, sliced tomatoes, and all the spices. Mix everything well. If you got fresh drumsticks, make sure to pick the tender ones. They cook faster and taste better. We usually skip the thick, mature pods because they are a bit tough. Some people like to peel off most of the skin of these pods, but you can actually cook them without peeling as well. In New Zealand, I couldn't find fresh drumstick pods, so I bought 1 packet from an Asian grocery store. It was in the frozen food section. You don't have to thaw them before cooking. You can directly open the packet and use them for cooking. I am adding 2 cups of water. Turn on the cooker. Set the heat to medium-high. Close the lid and let the drumstick cook for about 15 minutes. Also, don't forget to stir the curry occasionally. I am opening the lid and checking the curry now. It has been about 15 minutes. At this stage, we are adding 1 cup of coconut milk. Stir it well. Now you don't have to close the lid. I am going to add 2 teaspoons of salt. You can add more or less salt according to your taste. Now we are going to check if the drumsticks are cooked properly. Seems like it is cooked nicely. It is now done and ready to serve. Normally you don't eat the outside thicker skin of the drumstick. What you are after is that tender pulp and the seeds inside the drumstick pod. Just wanted to mention that because I think some of you may not have had the chance to taste this delicious vegetable yet. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.